Hello everyone, today is Mother's Day and Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng nanay na naandyan. Mapa single mom ka man or stepmom or whatsoever, what kind of mom are you? Today is a very special day for you all. Hindi man namin nasasabi minsan na we love you, but we are so proud of you for your sacrifices and effort na binibigay sa amin. We are more than grateful for your love and care from the beginning and ever since, no? And syempre, sa mga anak na nandyan pa yung mama nyo or nabubuhay pa yung nanay nyo, strive to become successful. Makita nila na maging successful ka. And i-appreciate nyo sila habang nandyan pa sila at nakikita nyo pa sila para makabawi kayo sa kanila. And once again, Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.